Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Shukla. I am completed my MBA from the SAL Institute of Management and my specialization was finance. Currently I am working with ICICI Bank, which is college placement itself. I am working with ICICI Bank as a value banker inbound profile and the grade is assistant manager. The only thing which I want to share from my side is the more than bookish knowledge, more than marks, everything, your practical learning and the hold of the subject. The crux of the subject and the concept must be clear in your mind because at the end your practical learning is very most important thing in your life because the degree marks everything is important but compared to all these things practical learning is must over there. And this about this institute, the only thing I want to say that the all time support the faculty members, directors at the end of the moment the people are available for you. The time is not meter that the 4:30 the college is over then all goes. No, not like that. My personal experience is that till the 8 o'clock 9 o'clock we all are at the institute place and we done our projects, the learning such things. I still remember that day the university paper after 2 days. Before one day we can say that sir we are not clear about such things and the subject. Dr. Farhana Qureshi that she was the risk management faculty for us and still after the paper completion 3 years lecture over there. Then after we preparing for that subject on the Monday that was the paper and we last the paper we can say that we are performing like anything. So this is the all over experience for me. No one else can beat this institute. Thank you very much for everything. What we are today, it's not our only efforts. This is the clear reflection of the all the hard work, based mentoring and everything. Thank you very much for everything. During my MBA program, my internship with one of the cooperative bank, and finally I got the placement in ICICI Bank. So the learning during the internship and the placement which I got, it is really most of the same. So I got so many help from my internship learning to my current career. I'm talking about if SAL placement, it's really appreciable and special thanks to the director Sir Viral Bhatt sir and all the faculty members and the placement coordinator. The people are real sense we can say that the people are supporting a lot. From the starting of our third semester, such training how to perform, how to groom yourself, how we have to perform during our interview. All the training they started from the starting of the third semester. The lot many companies are come into the campus. Not only one chance. Director sir and placement committee give us the lot many chance to attend all the companies interviews and if we are placed with any one of the company and we are not comfortable with the exposure and all the work which are providing and the role which they providing, they give us second chance, third chance, lot many chance. In today's, if we are here and suppose we tell that sir we are not happy with our current placement and we want to change or switch over there, then that support we all our get. Today's we in the live in the today 2020 and our batch is 2017-19. It's not like that our batch is over then the degree you get and the placement is over. Still we got all the support and all the experience which we are share for our career. The all time support gives to us. So the placement and all things are really appreciable of this institute. MBA is a program where more than bookish knowledge, the practical learning is very important. In every MBA person's life, the practical experience is play vital role. This institute is provide the such stage where you can perform, you groom yourself, and the people of here they motivate you, they push you up that you can do it. But confidence that is built up. Such achievements which I got from this institute is this gold medals from here. This gold medals I got for the best performer of the SAL Institute of Management. And one of my best memory I can say of this institute is this pen. It's given by the director Viral Bhatt sir that take it and sign it the most valued check of your life. So all the things are play very vital role in your life. the confidence which we build up, the way they are motivating us, the way they say, you can do it. We are all are here for support you. That is the best thing of this institute. And I'm really appreciating for this. Thank you very much, Sal, for this.